Turtle? Turtle? Oh, he's hiding inside. I don't know. He's scared.
Turtle. Here. Uncle.
Yeah, he's scared, I think.
How about ants? The ants will bite the turtle?
Hmm. निशी थोड़ा दूर आ जाओ बेटा, वो डर रहा है. हाँ बेटा.
Look at that. You want to see a turtle?
Why not going to the water?
He want to walk for some time.
Oh. He went to search for food.
Okay. Say bye bye, turtle.